You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French expression that I love. It means turning around abruptly, physically or also intellectually. When you change your mind, you just flip around very quickly. Volte-face. The French pronunciation is as volte-face, volte-face, volte-face. Some may pronounce the e's at the end, volte-face. That's more of an accent thing, depending where you're from in France. But generally, volte-face. In English, similarly, volte-face, not volte-face or volte-facey. No, volte-face. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.